video is created for fun and entertainment, especially for those who enjoyed shipping that love is for everyone. Everything shared here is meant to spread positively and appreciation. If this content isn't for you, feel free to skip and watch something else. Thank you. Hello everyone. The last day Freen and Becky worked together and looked very happy, enjoying each other's company. I am sorry I haven't been able to upload videos these past few days. I have been suffering from acid reflux, and even now while editing this video I feel terrible. Freen's happiness when she's with Becky, it's so obvious that Becky is one of her happiness. The way she mixed their name, calling them FreenBeck, is like she's shipping them. She's obviously one of FreenBecky's shipper. It looked like Freen and Becky date night out, and they look so happy. Their smile make me feel good. Somehow I feel so terrible right now. FreenBecky is one frame. They look so pretty.